We are very excited that the authorities, parents, students, and teachers of the school are joining us this morning. We are even more excited to have the opportunity to show your beautiful Vinafi 2020 collection, of which we have beautiful combinations for your closet.
High-intensity training requires comfort. Our model presents a sport line with which you will be ready to perform at your best. Savile-made black sweatshirt with soft light and waterproof gray stripes, and a fresh gray hue accompanied by a super cool light gray shirt and black training pants, and as a final detail training shoes to this sporty style that is already up.
In this outfit, we need a short yellow t-shirt, jeans, and sport shoes.
Basic clothes can be transformed with the right jewelry and accessories. This is something we are looking for, especially these days when dating is very limited.
Hello, my name is Alex and you come to present my outfit, which is made up of with shorts and jean pants and salmon colored sheets and a black blazer.
Fashion experts all agree that accessorizing matters for a number of reasons. Number 1. You can achieve more for less. Accessorizing is a small thing to do. Simply change your jewelry and give your outfit that might have been in your closet for years a new look.
The model is wearing a great hat and some beautiful glasses, a red and black t-shirt with a black jacket and a big bag, and an elegant watch on his arm, and purple gloves and a beige trousers with some small bags and a black trainer. This clothes that the model has is recommended and it's appropriate to a trip to the mountains or for a visit to the countryside and from the cold places.
Number 2. Jewelry gives your closet your personal touch. The jewelry you select speaks of you. Shows self-confidence, power, and elegance. It's up to you.
Jesus wears an outfit, ready to enjoy a day in the pool or a beach, in a beautiful and sunny day.
I am Jorge Bueno from Haiti and I am 13 years old. Today I am wearing an outfit consisting of a black cap, a black mask, a red Adidas shirt, a brown leather handle, tight black pants, and red shoes with white lines.
Number 3. Most importantly, a makeover makes us feel beautiful. We all deserve to feel beautiful, right? Tonight we have combined the colors for the season, which are most popular pieces from Vinafi 2020, to give you an impressive look.
Parents, students, and teachers of the school are joining us this morning. You are even more excited to have the opportunity to show your beautiful Vinafi 2020 collection, of which we have beautiful combinations for your closet. Basic closets can be transformed with the right jewelry and accessories. This is something we are looking for, especially these days when dating is very limited.
Fashion experts all agree that accessories matters for a number of reasons. 1. You can budget more for less. Accessory is a small thing to do. Simply change your jewelry and give your outfit a new pin for your closet for many years a new look. 2. Jewelry gives your closet a personal touch. The jewelry you select speak of you.
Okay, here Bianca is wearing a beautiful blue lace dress over the knee with some cute details with some shiny platinum low heels. She's modeling there. Okay. Now she's modeling a really cute casual outfit that consists of an off-shoulder red blouse with straps around the neck. She's wearing some black jeans and some cute little white shoes.
Now we are going to see your beautiful models. Each one is showing games for your 2020 collection. We can see the model using
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jeremy Tisalema from 2 Baccalaureate D. I will explain to you how my sport team is made up. It starts with the Adidas brand t-shirt in black and white.
Hello, my name is Shina Sultan. I am 14 years old. I am in the first year of Parallel G. I am wearing a beautiful and colorful traditional costume from the Manaus region of Ecuador. I wear a handmade floral skirt, a light orange blouse, and a woolen boot. I wear a poncho and spadrilles. Their looks are my hairstyle. This outfit represents the Ecuadorian culture. Thank you very much.
Happy 30th anniversary, Vinafi!